Welcome to Fact or Fiction. Uncover the ultimate question. Fact or fiction? Let the journey begin. The ancient Chinese general Hannibal famously used elephants in his military campaigns. Fiction. Hannibal was a Carthaginian general, not Chinese, and he used elephants during the Second Punic War. The ancient Chinese military strategist Sun Tzu was a fictional character. Fiction. Sun Tzu was a real historical figure and author of The Art of War. Let us know in the comments if you got it right. Thanks for watching.